years, local police forces have been acquiring military weapons and vehicles. This harms our communities, but it's good for the bottom lines of the companies that sell these goods to the government. What will you do to limit the influence of companies that profit from the militarization of our local police?
The question is, what would I do to limit the companies who profit from the militarization of the police? That's the question?
Yep.
I would not deny our police forces the equipment they need to keep law and order. To those of you who are worried about the NSA more than you are radical Islam, don't vote for me. To those of you who think Snowden's a hero, I'm your absolutely worst choice. I think he's a traitor. To those who think the cops are the problem, we've got bad cops, but I'm more worried about the crooks than I am the cops. And you don't know what's coming our way. So I will provide equipment to law enforcement communities based on their ability to use it. I am not in the camp of being more afraid of the cops than I am the crook. I'm not in the camp of being more worried about the NSA than I am radical Islamists. Please understand who you're voting for. Yes, sir.
I agree.